Swedish ingenuity has given the world so much. But one invention gave us a leg up on keeping our pants up. The zipper.
1913, Gideon Sundback invents the zipper.
The Swedish-born electrical engineer was hired to work for the Universal Fastener Company and became head designer. He went on to patent the separable fastener. The first big customer was the U.S. military. By World War II, zippers became important for fastening gear and uniforms. But it took a little longer for the zipper to work its way into the mainstream.
The zipper really took off after French designers started using it to do up gentlemen's trousers.
In 1937, Esquire magazine declared the zipper the newest tailoring idea for men. And in 1947, Levi's added the first zipper to their jeans.
I've never owned a button-up fly and I'm never going to. Give me a zipper any day.
The zipper then went on to become the world's favorite fastener.
Of course, that completely revolutionized the way that you could, seal your pants, but not only that, you could use it for so many other things in fashion.
It's also in purses, in the sleeping bag, in our suitcases. Velcro or buttons just won't do the trick. The zipper is the go-to.
There are 4.5 billion zippers used each year in the U.S. alone. And zipper mega producer YKK makes enough zippers each year to wrap around the world 50 times.
The number of times I have absolutely thanked my lucky stars that I can zip myself up against the elements, all thanks to a Swedish invention.
To learn more about Sweden's incredible history of innovation, watch History Erased: The World Without Sweden.